Rawr.
Llama, 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 llama.
Huh?
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy umby umpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake gumdrop snickle.
No poo.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
Alright, you ready? Yeah. Hey! Shh, dude, no. You gotta go like, hey. Oh, okay. Wait.
Dois.
Do you want a bitch? Down. Sit. Lay down. Up. Speak. Who's a good boy? Lay down. Up. Good boy. Stay. 3, 2, 2.5, 2 5/8, 2 3/4, 2 3/6. How long can you stay there for? Are you drooling? Do you want that bitch? I bet you do. You can have it in 3, 2, 1. Oh, good boy.
Do you have a little kitty? Is he very, very pretty? Does he scratch up all his toys? Does he make a lot of noise? Is he very, very fluffy like your very favorite stuffy? Do you have a little...
呀！这是什么造型啊？
I saw this thing on TikTok that said if you brush your cat with a damp toothbrush, it reminds them of being groomed by their mothers when they were kittens. So my cat hates being brushed, so I...
Fucking helping. You did it. You're helping. You're gonna pick this up one little kernel at a time. And you're gonna like it because I'm fucking fed up with your bullshit. I'm gonna be a horrible father one day because of you fucks.